We're very excited to have the latest offering from Aston Martin, the DB11. 2017 registered car, done 3,500 miles from one private owner. Set in quantum silver over obsidian black leather. This is a standout car. It looks absolutely fantastic. There's a few features outside and in that I just want to draw your attention to. So we'll start here at the front. So we've got that lovely black apron at the front. Sits really well against this exterior colour. Obviously it is called quantum silver, but it is more of a grey, without doubt. Just moving around to the wheels. So we've got the 10-spoke directional diamond turned alloys, red caliper to contrast, and I've seen a few of these cars without the red calipers, and that is a real standout feature for me. Just makes the car. Picking up the V12 badge there. Again, the black sort of strakes against the grey just contrast really well, and that's shown here as well, just above the door, and then back into grey on the roof. So a real eyeful. Some fantastic lines on this car. I drove this home last night, and I have to say I've not driven a DB11 before, but we have driven obviously all the other marques from Aston. What a car. Great performance. Just so easy to drive. But classic Aston Martin. Just take you into the car. Straight away we can see obsidian black throughout, primary and secondary. But, some nice options. All the leather very tight. Again, great quality leather. Still smells new. Lots of standard features with the car that are obviously top notch. Got the CArbon Cuprum inlays there. Got the ventilated seats. Aston Martin wings in the headrests. Lovely lining on the roof there. Power folding seats, Flint grey belts, B&O sound, which does sound fantastic. Got the launch edition plaque there on the door sill. Build quality is as expected, fantastic, really well put together. Really like this colour. Very classy. Part exchange is welcome. Finance options are available, so PCP or a HP package on this car, no issue. Just going around, it's in absolutely superb condition. So the spec came to something like £16,000 in total, and that even included £2,500 of Aston Martin wrap around the car. So many features, but just wanted to draw your attention to, which I think gives the car a little bit of standout for me, is the gold jewellery pack. So bonnet lining, gold wings, filler cap, top of the dipstick. Classy Aston Martin, nice touch on a lovely car. The showroom as always 01455 446 505, and on social media find us at Approved Used. We'll look forward to your call.